Liebherr P995 is a colossal pontoon excavator designed for large-scale dredging and marine construction projects. So this behemoth boasts a powerful engine, enabling it to handle massive excavation tasks with ease. Its robust pontoon design provides exceptional stability and flotation, allowing it to operate effectively in various water environments. Equipped with a large backhoe bucket and capable of reaching significant depths, the P995 is a crucial tool for projects like harbor deepening and underwater construction. SMS Group is a giant in the world of metalworking, creating incredibly powerful machines that shape metals into precise forms. Imagine super strong presses that can bend, mold, and squeeze metal into the exact shapes needed for cars, airplanes, even power plants. These machines are incredibly precise and efficient thanks to advanced technology. SMS Group is known for making some of the best and most reliable machines in the world for working with metals, ensuring high quality, consistent results in industries that demand the utmost precision. SMS Group's machines play a crucial role in bringing these structures to life. The Woodcracker L1200 is a powerful log splitter designed to handle large logs. It can open its jaws up to 47 inches and exert a splitting force of up to 33 tons. This heavy-duty machine weighs 2,400 pounds and requires a hydraulic system that can deliver 21 to 40 gallons of fluid per minute at a pressure between 3,200 and 3,900 pounds per square inch for optimal performance. Optional attachments such as a stand, excavator mount, or skid steer loader mount expand its versatility for various applications. The Flegel Wood King classic hydraulic pruning saw is a powerful tool that makes it easy to trim trees and shrubs. It uses strong hydraulics to power 3 sharp steel blades, which give you clean and precise cuts every time. Saw is designed to be easy to handle. Thanks to its compact size, it can be adjusted to work with different shapes of trees and shrubs. Most importantly, it has safety features built in to keep the operator safe while they're working. This innovative 2L was likely shown off as a new and exciting product at the Agritechnica trade fair. Bell's Light Firewood is a powerful machine that revolutionizes firewood production. Equipped with a robust engine and a large diameter saw, it quickly and efficiently cuts logs into desired lengths. Featuring versatile splitting options, including multiple way wedges, it produces consistently sized firewood to meet various customer needs. A conveyor system facilitates efficient transport of processed wood, while operator comfort is enhanced through ergonomic controls and a user-friendly interface. This machine significantly increases productivity, reduces labor costs, improves safety. We've all been there, struggling with stubborn stumps, trying everything to get them out. When the farm jack gave up, the Trujillo monkey winch didn't flinch. With unmatched strength and reliability, it made quick work of what would have been a long and frustrating task. If you need to pull stumps efficiently, this is your go-to tool. Top one's stupidest way to remove tree stumps. A professional lumberjack in the forest isn't just chopping wood, he's mastering a time-honored craft. From selecting the right trees to felling them with precision, every movement is calculated. The sound of the chainsaw roaring to life, the methodical way he positions himself pre-range cut, and the way the tree falls exactly where he wants it to. It's a choreography of strength, skill, and experience.
I never even saw that. It's going right out of the ground, the buttons you get bitten to you. It's looking pretty good. That is serious going, pal.
The Kayron Swadro TC1000, 578 masterpiece in hay raking technology. With its massive 15.7 meter working width, this rake covers vast fields in record time. Its 13 rotors ensure clean, uniform swaths, improving forage quality and making baling a breeze. The ergonomic design includes hydraulic adjustments, allowing operators to fine-tune performance on the go. Durable and efficient, the Swadro TC1000 570 is perfect for large-scale farms seeking to maximize output without sacrificing quality. When it comes to raking, this machine reigns supreme. Discover the Pelen CXP-AR 5090.A revolutionary pruning system for vineyards. This machine combines cutting-edge technology with ergonomic efficiency designed to improve vine health while saving time. Its lightweight yet durable frame minimizes strain, while the precise cutting system guarantees clean, uniform cuts every time. Powered by the latest battery technology, the R5090 is eco-friendly and cost-equal. Ideal for vineyards large and small, this machine transforms traditional pruning into a faster, smarter process. Pelens delivers innovation for the future of viticulture. Introducing the Caroland Fastbake, the Baler Whopper combo that's redefining efficiency. This fully automated machine delivers non-stop baling, wrapping, and unloading, saving precious time during harvest. Its pre-chamber system ensures consistent density, while the twin wrapping arms provide a secure seal for your bales. Designed for durability, the Fastbase handles heavy workloads with ease, all while maintaining superior forage quality. With smart features like an intuitive control interface, it's the ultimate solution for modern farmers looking to streamline their hay production. Precision meets power with the Vaterstad Seed Hawk. This cutting-edge seeding system combines innovative technology with unmatched versatility to achieve the perfect plant stand. Its advanced metering system ensures uniform seed and fertilizer placement, maximizing yields while minimizing input costs. The Seed Hawk's large tank capacity and high seed capability make it ideal for large-scale operations, while its robust design guarantees reliability season after season. For farmers who demand precision and performance, the Seed Hawk delivers every time. Meet Robot One, the future of autonomous farming. Designed to tackle tasks with pinpoint accuracy, this multifunctional robot can plant, fertilize, and weed with zero human intervention. Its state-of-the-art AI and sensor technology adapt to field conditions in real time, ensuring optimal efficiency. Robot One is lightweight, energy efficient, and powered by renewable energy, making it a sustainable choice for modern agriculture. Whether you're farming small plots or vast fields, this autonomous marvel is here to redefine productivity and sustainability in agriculture. EcoMonster is a powerful single-shaft tire shredder that can process up to 12 tons of tires per hour, reducing them into 2-inch chips. This robust machine utilizes a 250 horsepower hydraulic power unit and features a large cutting chamber equipped with 18 rotating knives and 9 stationary knives. Designed for durability and efficiency, the EcoMonster incorporates low-speed, high-torque technology, a Hageland's hydraulic motor for reliable operation. Safety features include automatic reverse to prevent damage during overloading, versatile in its applications. Meber VTZ 1400 Plus is a high-speed vertical band sawmill designed for large log processing. Equipped with a carriage, it offers precise log positioning and efficient handling. The sawmill features robust construction, a powerful motor, and a user-friendly control panel. Safety features include guards and an emergency stop. This model is designed for efficient cutting and high-quality results, making it a valuable asset for sawmills and timber processing facilities. The FWT-60 welder is a powerful machine that joins different materials together using friction and heat. It's like a giant clamp that spins one part while pressing it against another, generating heat that melts the surfaces and creates a strong bond. This process is faster and more efficient than traditional welding methods, making it a valuable tool for industries like automotive and aerospace manufacturing, where speed and precision are crucial. Unlike traditional welding, which can sometimes weaken the material, friction welding the Vermeer WC2300XL is like a giant wood-eating machine that can quickly turn entire trees, branches, and all into wood chips. Imagine a powerful engine powering a machine that can handle even the toughest trees without a problem. This chipper is built to last and can handle a wide variety of tree sizes, making it a versatile tool for anyone who needs to process trees. It's also designed to be easy to use and maintain, which saves time and effort. This makes it a valuable asset for anyone involved in forestry, land clearing, or biomass production. A PET HDPE plastic bottle machine is essentially a giant machine that uncompresses tightly packed bales of plastic bottles. Imagine a tightly compressed block of plastic bottles. This machine uses a combination of tearing, shredding, and moving parts to break the bale apart and separate the individual bottles. This process is crucial for recycling facilities as it prepares the plastic for further processing, such as cleaning and melting down to create new products. These machines are designed to handle large volumes of plastic efficiently.